Hi, Dan Paladin, bringing you another episode of the Mortgage Morsel on the last business day of May. Officially summer, I suppose, since last weekend. Hope everyone enjoyed the Memorial weekend. Um, this week, probably short and sweet. Let's see, loan of the week, clear to close in 18 days from submission. So not bad, not the quickest we've done, but still pretty good. And so got some happy buyers getting keys relatively quickly here. And then I do have a sad story, I guess, as well, of some first-time buyers that I put into a home within the last couple months or so. And I'd worked with them for probably 2 years, trying to get them in, and it was down payment assistance, a special program that they used. This happened to be up north. And recently got a call that the husband passed away. So they closed, and he was in the hospital and really never got to enjoy the home. So that was sad to hear. Again, as we try to bring that dream of home ownership to people. But anyhow, so once in a while we get some sad news. Other than that, AI. Everybody's always talking about AI these days, what it's doing, how do we use it, and so forth. It's basically, obviously, it's a tool to help make our jobs easier. Maybe take out some of those tasks that you would normally do, so freeing up time to do the other more, let's say, money-generating activities. So, it's employed in my systems to answer phone calls, and its prompt is to schedule the appointment based on the conversation. And so it's doing that. Next, I'm going to try to employ it where it actually makes phone calls. But at the moment, I just got it on the receiving end. It will answer phones if they call back, and of course, responding to texts as well through the system. And again, the ultimate goal that it's trained to do is to set an appointment for me to obviously speak to them about whatever they might, whether to purchase or refi. So if you have any questions on that, let me know. Or we can also take your leads and put them in our system and flip them to you when they're ready to go. And I guess that's it. I think there was one more. Oh, insurance, always a hot topic these days in California. Don't forget, I do offer insurance services, and though I can't promise I can place everything, because it just depends on where it's at and age and so forth and conditions, because carriers are doing more on-site inspections, personal, or they'll have the borrower or insured do a video walkthrough for the carrier as opposed to sending somebody over. So, keep in mind on that. Recently, within the last month or two, I placed a property that was from a realtor called me on, and it was built in 1890. And I placed that for them so they can close their transaction. So keep me in mind. Again, I'm not going to promise I can do everything. There's going to be some stuff that's going to be tough and may have no choice but to do, the California Fair Plan. But I will do what I can to find a policy that fits and works for them. Anyhow, that's it. Make it a great weekend. Remember, if you're working, I'm working, and I'll see you next time on the Mortgage Morsel.